Above the main door were once these 9 planets. They blessed the pilgrim and ensured a long life to the temple. Benign and fierce, good and evil, they are the masters of time and space, the molders of destiny. The circumambulation begins. Round and round they will go, performing an age-old ritual before viewing the enshrined deity, Surya Deva, the sun god. Detached from the main shrine is a square structure known to some as the Nat Mandir, or the hall of dance, drama and music. Carved on the walls of the platform are large numbers of dancing and musical figures, vibrant, rhythmic, joyous. Life is here depicted in all its varied aspects, as myriad as the colors and tones of the sun's radiation. It is the sculptor's rendering of the abundant and vital creative force of Surya, who resides within the walls of the temple.